Two powerful website builders. One burning question: which one actually makes building easier? On one side, we have Webflow, the designer's favorite for pixel-perfect control. On the other, Builder.ai, the platform promising app creation for anyone with zero coding. We're testing them in the areas that count: flexibility, ease of use, features, pricing, customer support, and more. Forget the flashy marketing, we're breaking down what really matters. Each category means points, and you'll see who truly wins when everything's totaled up. And the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, let's quickly map out what we're gonna cover. Pricing, speed, and how easy each is to use, how creative you can actually get with the designs, what types of apps or sites they can make, how well they play with other platforms, think integrations, automations, and finally, if you plan to go big, stuff like scalability and support. Ready? Let's roll through each category. Let's kick things off with price, which, let's be real, totally matters. Webflow is super upfront, their plans are easy to read, and honestly, for solo makers or small teams, the pricing is pretty solid. But if you start adding e-commerce or like a big crew of collaborators, you'll see those costs climb. Now Builder.ai does things a little differently. You get those tempting no-code plans with fast setup for MVPs, and there's this paper feature idea, which sounds cool until you need custom work. That's when the pricing can jump depending on your wish list. So if you want predictable and starter-friendly, Webflow takes this one. Next up, speed and ease of use. So Webflow gives you this gorgeous visual editor where you can see changes instantly, which feels so satisfying. And it's a big but, if you're not used to this much design power, it's easy to get a little lost at first. Now Builder.ai, it's almost the opposite. You get onboarded fast, the AI actually helps you build, kind of fun if you hate fiddling with settings, and you can get up and running super quick. Sure, you give up a bit of that fine-tuned designer control, but wow, it's easy. Gotta hand it to Builder.ai here for sheer speed and simplicity. Alright, let's talk about design and getting your site or app to look exactly how you want it. Webflow is honestly kind of legendary here. You can go pixel perfect, whip up slick animations, manage content like a pro as long as you know what you're doing. There's a learning curve, but the creative power. Builder.ai, way more about templates and rapid branding. Super efficient, but if you want to get wild and custom, you'll bump up against their preset layouts. So if advanced design is non-negotiable, Webflow totally wins. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Builder.ai once delivered a fully AI-powered app for a client in under 48 hours. Like, that's wild fast, right? Moving on, app and platform types. So Webflow is mainly about websites. You can do e-commerce and solid landing pages too, but if you need a real backend or like an actual mobile app, no luck. Builder.ai, on the other hand, is almost like, why not make it all? Web apps, iOS, Android, plus actual backend stuff and integrations. The web UI isn't quite as flexible as Webflow's, but if you want more than a website, Builder.ai grabs the win. Alright, integrations and automation, because who wants a site or app that just sits there, right? Webflow's cool here. Zapier, MemberStack, whatever API you can think of, you can hook it in. Just know. Complex stuff probably means adding extra tools. Builder.ai's pitch is all about AI-driven logic and these plugins for fast features, but sometimes you might get hit with extra costs if you want things to sync up deeper. Honestly, both are strong, just with slightly different philosophies, so I'm calling it a tie on this one. And finally, scalability and support for when you're dreaming big. Webflow's got your back if you're a solo creator or a startup. Tons of community help, lots of guides. But if you start thinking big enterprise or want things to scale massively, you might hit some limits. Builder.ai steps in swinging here. Not only do you get a dedicated project manager, it's kind of built for high-touch, custom, larger projects. Downside, if you like doing everything yourself, troubleshooting can take a minute. Still, in terms of going big and getting support, Builder.ai takes this round. Let's check out the radar chart for both platforms. It makes the strengths and weaknesses super easy to see at a glance. Webflow's got the edge for design and price predictability, while Builder.ai spikes in app variety and high-touch support. So you're still with me, which means you're serious about picking the right tool. If sleek, design-obsessed websites are your focus, Webflow is honestly hard to beat. Want to launch a custom app, don't want to touch code and need to go live fast? That's totally Builder.ai's playground. Pick based on what you're actually building and yeah, how much you want to control every little detail. If you liked this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe for more expert tech matchups and smart picks. See you in the next one.